Download Mandalion Chinese. Use our code to unlock free courses and get 100 points in the app.
There are only two compound finals that begin with the vowel o or o, and they are o and on. Let's learn how to pronounce both. The first compound final is o. O is made up of the combination of the o and the u final. To pronounce this compound final, start by sounding the o final first, and then transit into the u final. O, o. Remember, although this compound final is made up of two simple finals, it should be pronounced quickly and seamlessly as one syllable, and not as two syllables. So, when pronounced quickly, this compound final should sound similar to the expression oh, oh, oh. The second compound final on is a nasal final. So, as you say this final, you should feel a slight buzzing sensation in your nasal cavity. Start by saying and holding the word oh, and then close into an ng sound. Om. Now, let's take a look at two Chinese characters that have the o and om finals in their pinyin respectively. This character means to walk, 走. Its pinyin consists of the initial 字 and the compound final o, 字 o, 走. It should be pronounced in the third tone, 走, 走. And next, this character is read as song. Song is the action of giving someone a gift or present. The pinyin for song is made up of the initial 斯 and the nasal final on. 斯 on song. This character should be pronounced in the fourth tone, song, song. Note that although it has the same spelling as the word song in English, it should not be pronounced as such. Remember that pinyin sounds are not always similar to English pronunciation.
Download Mandalion Chinese. Use our code to unlock free courses and get 100 points in the app.